Hello, developers, tech enthusiasts, and productivity seekers. Welcome to another exciting episode of Learn with Izhar. I'm Sheikh Izharullahi, your guide to mastering technology tools that drive innovation and efficiency. Today, we are diving into a game-changing tool, which is GitHub Copilot. This is not just a fancy AI plugin. It's a productivity powerhouse. Let's explore how GitHub Copilot can supercharge development for individuals and organizations. Ready? Let's go. First, let's talk about you, the individual developer. GitHub Copilot uses OpenAI's advanced GPT technology to understand the context of your code and provide intelligent suggestions. Here are some practical ways it boosts your productivity. First of all, it provides you code suggestions and completion. Imagine you are working on a React component. You type use state, and Copilot instantly completes the syntax while also offering common patterns for state initialization. No more jumping between your IDE and Stack Overflow for basic references. Practically, keep your code base clean and consistent. Copilot learns from your coding patterns and adapts its suggestions accordingly. Also, it helps you reducing boilerplate work. When you need to write repetitive CRUD operations, Copilot generates them in seconds, freeing up your time for critical tasks like debugging or feature enhancements. For hands-on demo, let's create a simple Node.js Express API route, and then obviously you can see how GitHub Copilot will help you write some CRUD operations and save your time. Along with that, you have got error reduction while using that particular tool. Copilot flags potential errors in real time by suggesting fixes or pointing out missing arguments. It's like having a peer programmer always watching your back. So you can use it for real-time feedback, but verified suggestions, especially for security sensitive code. Because again, keep in mind, it's not your driver, it's your assistant. Along with other advantages, you can learn new languages and frameworks with the help of GitHub Copilot as well. Whether it's Rust, Go, or Flutter, Copilot helps you get started. It generates basic syntax, common idioms, and even best practices, significantly flattening the learning curve. So you can have a hands-on demo for that by installing GitHub Copilot in your system. If you are using VS Code or maybe any other IDE, just install that plugin and then try using it and try actually using it with some new language as well. So you can have a clear flavor how it helps you as a tutor for the new language. As far as organizational productivity is concerned, so let's zoom out and see how GitHub Copilot benefits development organizations. Here are 4 key ways it transforms workflows. First of all, it actually provides you faster onboarding of new developers. When a junior developer joins, Copilot becomes their silent mentor. It provides inline guidance, suggesting relevant code snippets and patterns used within the team. So it saves a lot of your senior developers or maybe senior leads team time to guide junior developers or mentor them once they actually join the organization. For example, a new hire working on a legacy code base can quickly adapt by following Copilot suggestions aligned with the team's conventions. It will also help you streamlining code reviews. With cleaner Copilot assisted code submissions, reviewers spend less time on minor issues and more on architectural discussions. You can use Copilot in tandem with code linting. There are different linting tools available in the market, so you can actually use those tools with GitHub Copilot to ensure adherence to coding standards. Obviously, it accelerates feature development as well. Teams can complete sprints faster as Copilot reduces the time spent on mundane tasks. Developers focus on high impact areas like performance optimization and feature design rather than wasting their time on some legwork or some low priority tasks. So let's compare the time taken to manually implement a feature versus leveraging Copilot. Let's start using it and then you will see the result. And also, all of those advantages ultimately affects the cost as well. So there are cost savings involved. As you know, time is money. By reducing the time spent on repetitive coding and debugging, Copilot lowers operational costs and improves ROI on development projects. You can encourage teams to maintain up-to-date documentation to help Copilot generate better context-aware suggestions. As far as best practices for using GitHub Copilot are concerned, here are some best practices to get the most out of GitHub Copilot. You can set clear coding guidelines, align Copilot's suggestions with your organization's standards by training it on a well-maintained code base. You can pair Copilot with human oversight. Always review AI-generated code, especially for edge cases or security vulnerabilities. You can integrate Copilot into CI/CD pipelines, use Copilot-generated code to automate testing, making CI/CD processes more robust and efficient as well. You can take continuous feedback and set up a continuous feedback loop. You can provide feedback on Copilot's suggestion to improve its relevance and accuracy over time. So if I want to sum up, GitHub Copilot is not here to replace developers. It's here to empower them. Whether you are coding solo or leading a development team, this tool has the potential to revolutionize your workflow. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn with Azhar for more hands-on tech content. Until next time, keep innovating and coding smarter. Goodbye and have a nice time. Thank you.